frequently asked question, when will my case be over? Usually our cases vary in extent from 1 to 3 months to over a year. Typically at a Father's Rights Law Center, fathersrights.com, we stress the need to settle our cases once we've obtained a fair balance and adjustments. We follow generally what can be described as a quarter system, that the divorce will be divided into generally 4 quarters. The first quarter is the most strenuous in many respects because it's the time when we fight to obtain balance, to obtain temporary orders, especially in custody and visitation and support, that will last until the final judgment or settlement. The second quarter is where we work with our staff and opposing counsel and their staff to enhance the ability to try to settle the case on all issues in a friendly and fair manner. Not all cases can be resolved that way, however, and the court does provide for court-assisted settlement procedures, which we define as the third quarter of the effort, where we need to go to court, we need to prepare carefully drafted settlement briefs and come up with proposals and negotiations that take place literally at the courthouse. And the final quarter is where we fail to settle cases because we can't come to agreement on all terms. Hopefully we have narrowed the issues so that the final trial will be less burdensome and expensive. And we consider that the trial phase, not just the trial, but also preparing and sometimes wrangling and fighting over the final wording of the judgment. So given those 4 quarters, usually we are looking at least a 3 to 4 month time period, and in some cases, for more sophisticated financial concerns, we're looking at 9 months or a year or longer. During the time period of the settlement process, we engage in what I have referred to as a parenting plan oversight program. We refer to that colloquially as POP, where we are constantly checking with our clients to determine the management of custody and visitation, to see how we can enhance custody and visitation before we even go to the formal settlement conference, in an effort to try to reduce in an even more aggressive manner the amount of support while increasing the amount of time that our clients spend and share with their children. By using our plan for coordinating and cooperating and planning strategies for our clients, we are successful in about 90% of our cases to have them settled privately without having to go into the court to have the court provide settlement assistance for us that is more costly and more time consuming. We have excellent trained staff. We work hard to encourage private settlement conferences, and we've been very successful. So once you retain our firm, we are looking first for balance and then for finality.